What's up and welcome back. Today's test drive is this 1967 Chevy Chevelle that's got a 396 under the hood, no power steering or power brakes. It's got the upgraded fans, upgraded aluminum radiator, upgraded toys in the front. Awesome. Pretty sweet. We'll be taking it down the road, pointing out flaws so you know what you're getting before you get here. We're going to try to beat the nighttime. It's coming in right now. The sun's going down. At the end, we're going to be picking out the flaws, chips, and scratches on the paint and the interior. But for now, we're going to be taking it down the road for a test drive. So stick around. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Okay, so we're getting ready to take off here. We'll go ahead and get pulled out of the parking lot. Got on reverse for you. Put her in drive here. We'll go on down to the second exit as well instead of being blocked in by that trucker over there. And of course it's late in the day, but I needed to get this video done for you. And of course, videos is not the only thing that I do up here, so I'm constantly busy working on different things. Let's go. Got a good shift kit. Speedometer does not work. Gas gauge is not working. It's driving straight as an arrow. This is a low geared car, guys. Not hooked up on this one when I hit the brakes. Manual brakes, still stopping good. Let's try that again. It felt like kick down. No, it's not. Got plenty of pickup though. We'll get some undercarriage shots. Since we're running out of time, we won't do a whole bunch of extra outside shots. We'll just get a few necessary ones that benefit the video here. That way you know what you're getting. The idle's a bit high on this one. I think it can be turned down a notch. Still running cool. Sitting easy at 180. Shots, some undercarriage stuff, and picking out the flaws will be at the end. I'll be right back. down just a little bit. I got my lights set up in here so you can see, because it is dark outside now. Hear how much better it sounds. So when this thing's cold, it doesn't like to idle. It's the carburetor itself. And I'm assuming that's why it was going up so high, because the RPMs just kept getting higher, and I just came in once it got warm and turned it down a notch. And she's running good, I mean. But it definitely didn't need to be idled up that high, so I turned her down just a hair. Motor on this one sounds nice and tight. Exhaust sounds awesome. Steering on this one has a little bit of play in it. It's turning there and it's turning there. Let's see. There and there. On this road here, there's a bump in the middle. You can kind of listen for shakes and rolls, and I'll point it out right here. Fairly smooth. Overall, I think the test drive went well. Picking out the flaws is coming up next. And of course, we're going to go ahead and pull her back in the lot here and get buttoned up for the day. We are closed now. All right, thanks for watching. Stick around. Okay, we're going to walk around this ride and point out any of the flaws that I can find. And of course, detailed pictures are at maplemotors.com, so go there and check it out. Let's get started. Coming around our front end here, the chrome on this one is in good shape. Does not look too bad. A little bit of rust popping up around the headlights. Come down the lower portions here. Bend over. Got a few chips right there. A little chip in the corner here. Slight little bubble in the paint there. Vacuum midsection. Chips in the black around your tail lights. A little bit of pitting on your door handle there. That can come out of the paint, it's just stained. Over the top of the fender. Everything looks pretty clean. Your front windshield looks good. You got a gap on your trim up in the corner. Also over here, you got some old seals around your vent window. Mirror looks good. Couple little bubbles there. Back window looks good. Trim is nice. Up around the roof here on the edges, you can see you got some lines, smear lines there. comes all the way back. I've got my hands all dirty. I've been working on the cars. I guess I need to get some Gojo. Looking in your trunk. The seal is in good shape down in your jams. Does not look bad. In your trunk, man, it looks clean. It could be better on the spatter, but still solid. Package tray is pretty clean on this one too. It's not all eat up. And of course, around your trunk lid is solid. Got to firmly shut the trunk. Back bumper on this one. Not bad. Coming down this side. Picked up a little dirt. The trim stuck out a little bit. Bottom of your door here has got a lot of chips. Back that midsection. A little bit of pitting on your door handle there. Mirror looks good, but your seal around your vent window here is cracked. Chip here. Front window's pretty clean. Trim's still a little short on the edges. And you got the same thing going on over here, or it's thick, kind of smeared on the edge. Throughout the roof though, looks good. Not bad at all. Little stain there. Trim could be tighter on the back here. All right, let's go ahead and check out the interior, get her started up. Door panel on this one is not bad. Little spot there in the bottom. Little chip by the lock. And also right here, you got some pitting on your chrome around your vent window. Weather stripping's good. Jams are not bad. The carpet looks good. Looking around the interior here. Package tray. I think the worst part is your headliner. You need one. Doesn't have one at all. Seat's in good shape. Of course, you're missing your wipers and stuff on the dash. Dash pad Looks good. It's not bad at all. Start her up. Get good temp and oil pressure. Idle's a bit high. Under the hood, not bad. Really clean. Coming down with your hood. Got some dirt on there. Edge there's got a chip. A little bit of pitting on your louvers here. Go to maplemotors.com for detailed pictures, financing, and shipping. And of course, I do these test drives every day, so hit subscribe. Hopefully I helped you out and let you know what was wrong. Thanks for watching.